How you feeling once again? Yeah, beautiful. I like that. Yeah. Hey, if you love Bob Marley, I want everybody to say, "Are you ready?" Oh yeah. Once again, if you love the legendary Bob Marley, I want everybody to say, "Are you ready?" It's gonna be alright. Hey, see me, don't you worry about the things, la 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 la. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. See me rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sit by my doorsteps, singing sweet sound. Melodies pure and true. Them saying, this is my message to you. Hey, don't you worry about the things. Worry about the things, 'cause every little thing, ooh, it's gonna be alright. Whoa, they say they don't to worry. Oh, about the things, la 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 la. 'Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. See, we rise up this morning, ooh, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, ooh, sit by my doorstep. Them singing sweet sound. Melodies pure and true. Them saying, this is my message to you. Why? Darling, don't worry, hey, about the things. Don't worry about the things, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Oh Lord, I'm singing, don't you worry about the things. Now don't you worry, 'cause every little thing, ooh, is gonna be alright. No, sing along with us. Singing, don't you worry. Nice. One more time. All right, let's do this way. So, listen, but don't you worry. Don't you worry. La la la, just don't worry. 'Cause just be happy. Okay.